Hello guys, welcome to another video. So today we'll be actually creating a um a um a hide and seek game. So I can show you. Click on, we're gonna just hop in extreme. Okay, now okay, so I'm on my alt right now. Sorry, but yeah, it's a game, extreme hide and seek is supposed to be based on. We got this by Tim7775 verified. Let's see if there's any pay to win stuff. No, actually not. Well, that's actually kind of very low for that much. Okay, at the start of the game, one player gets chosen to be it. It has to try and find the other players. It will not spawn with the default character. Instead will spawn with the equipped it character. Every it character has a special ability that can be used to help catch the hiders. It characters can be purchased in the shop. So what yeah. So we're gonna be creating this basically. Why is it like, oh, so we will be clicking here. You get this when you download Roblox. You just if it's not there, then then you can search Roblox and it will be there or here, I don't know. But I'm gonna hop in Studio, and if it's not there at all, make sure that you have downloaded the game. Oh my god, that, like, I ate freaking mashed potatoes, my god. My throat's like, you can barely, yeah, so that's why I'm always doing this. Because yeah, my voice, I want to be normal. But now when you're in here, you want to click classic base plate. Yeah, so why am I picking this of all the others? Well, these are just, it has these are ready made. These three are not, but I'm gonna pick classic because because it's basically normal, no like advanced graphics on that is on the flat terrain and base plate. So I'm just gonna click classic base plate, and I will be opening the place. Okay, so I will be closing all this just to show you guys where all those stuff are. So first, you want to have this, and if it's not there, then wait. And if it's not the bar here, you want to click home, double click, and now that happens. And you want to click to model. You want to click view. You want to open Explorer, Properties, and Asset Manager, and Toolbox, and also Output for scripting, you know. And then also the view sector if you want. This shows what direction this is. So this is the back, this is north, I guess. Then all the other things is nothing important. Then we want to click on to home, and then we want to, so first we want to actually make a lobby. So we open a workspace here, and you see we already got this base plate. So this is it. And so if you click scale, or with the properties tab, you can do this. Click here, and you want to write in here. Yeah, I'm restarting because just in case. You have this properties. You want to select base plate, and then we got the transform here if it's not open, and of course open like that. And then you want to click here, open that, and right here on X 100 and C 100. So now we got this very cool base plate. Wow, I never seen one better than this. So what you want to also do, so you spawn here, is you want to click on model up here, and then a spawn, and of course this isn't centered. Well, because the base plate is just 0, the X and C is 0, which is the this and that axis, and not the this axis. The Y is this axis, but these are so I want to click the spawn location, click you want to open C frame and a position, and then the X here you want to set it as 0 and a C2. So now it's perfectly in the middle of the base plate. And then if you want to make it look cool, you can click it and then go up to rotate, and you can have you can tick this so it's on, and then set it as 45 degrees, and then you can rotate it like that. Makes a little bit of a hexagon look, even though it haven't changed in shape as at all. But now we gotta, and so and so now before we continue, we want to, so this asset manager that I opened, it's there. You want to click save to Roblox, and we got the save game thing, and you want to select the name and then name it hide and seek. Oh, seeks, yeah. And then you want to untick the team create, and then you can write in the description if you want. I'm just gonna write in tutorial. That's all. Me. This is supposed to be me, but if you are like any developer or anything in any group, you can just click the group. We're gonna pick me. Genre, we are not gonna pick it because they're remaking it for some reason again. And you want to untick VR because I don't know why we should have this for VR. Oh yeah, quite cool. And we want to click save game or save. And look, we got the game. Now we got the game, so that's all for today. But no, just kidding. But first we want to go in here into workspace and then click spawn location and alt GR and then base plate, and then Control G, which makes so it groups. And if and for some reason it could happen that spawn location is unanchored. I never been that happening, but if you accidentally unanchor or something, just you want to click this so it's a black, so it's a black outline. But now we want to go into properties and the name. We're gonna name it lobby. That's what we'll be doing the intermission. But how are we gonna get the maps? Well, you get to press Control D, and then now there's a copy. So if you click move, you can move it. So I'm gonna move it all the way over there, and this clone you want to open here, and click base plate. And you can change the color with the brick color or the color itself, and material of course. But there's also, did you know that, fun fact, I did not know this as much so long ago, but different materials has actually more than just textures. It also has something to do with the mass, I think. Yeah, mass 700, wait, 7,000 rock. Yeah, I changed it to mass. I think no, you cannot change the mass yourself. That's a okay, I never knew that. But I'm gonna just put the material as, well, something that's very cool is just put a neon. Like, bro, it literally just glows. So this is Roblox's glow engine of material. The only material that Roblox have made that actually glows, which is kind of weird. But we want to click grass. I'm just gonna pick that with this spatial blue green. Yeah, you can just do that. But so you guys know, undo is up here, and here's also play if you want. But here it is. You can actually use Control C, and then the redo is Control okay, yeah, why isn't it like a better oh well, this is the redo. You can use Control plus Y. Oh, okay, so Control Y. Yeah. Oh, having it this at this color piece is beautiful. And then we want to select the map and not the lobby. We'll be naming it like map is going to be like having a custom map later, like the can choose between one maps. But then also to save, you go up to file here under the Roblox logo, and you want to go down to publish to Roblox and not save to Roblox, because if you save it to Roblox you're only going to see it in the studio, not inside the game right now. So if you create an update and you don't want it to be out right now, you can just use save to Roblox, but I'm gonna use publish Roblox. And if you look down here, publish new changes. Yeah, so now we got that. And then we want to, of course, have a thing. Yeah, but before we continue with the thing, with the map you want to click it at spawn location, and we'll be actually putting in, you want to select map, the model, and then click this plus. Here you can add whatever you want, but the thing we are going to search for up here is part. So you see the base plate and part has the exact same logo. Well, that's because it is basically the exact. Oh, so this will be your maps, your spawn location. So we're actually gonna name it spawn location, or you can just select the name here, Control C, and then go to spawn location, and then Control V. So we got that. We can remove the old spawn location, and then we can click this spawn location and then, like, yeah, move it however we want. And here comes the anchor stuff, the anchor bit. So because right now if I just click run, it's just going to fall, and that's what, and we don't want that. So if we click stop, well, you can click run here, and you can also change play here or play. So yeah, that's kind of cool. But we're actually gonna anchor this, you see here, or we can go to here. It says anchored part at the part thing. And we want to tick this yes. And so now if we just run it, it doesn't fall. How cool is that? Oh yeah, so now it's for some reason it doesn't show that the other way if I just click that near. But now we want to actually do the coding. So we want to, so in the Explorer, you see the server script service here. We want to click the plus, and we'll actually want to use a folder to keep everything organized. And so this folder does in reality nothing. It just is something that you can use. So we want to name this no no, we want to name this script. So here is the scripts folder. I want to click plus it again. I want to add in a normal script. If it's not here, then just write script. So now we got that, but we also want to add a module script. And what module script is basically a normal script, but you can use you can use functions from this then to make functions in here, making it so it's more organized. And so inside module script we actually want to change the, so we want to no, I'm all over the place. Okay, so here Explorer, the script we want to name this want to name this server, and I want to name this module script to Intermission. So now we got this intermission, and so you want to click into the intermission 2 times and the server. So we have but I don't like when it's at here, so we actually gonna move this and have it here. Same with the intermission, making so it's more like organized, I guess. But first we want to go to intermission, and then the local module we want to name change the name there to intermission. And you can see this is orange because it doesn't recognize that unknown global module. And so you want to copy this and then click here 2 times and paste or write in the exact here, and now we got that. And so now we actually not gonna do like our first script, but kind of we gotta test this. So if we go to intermission dot test and okay, remove that function intermission dot test, and we want to do that. So now if we go to intermission then dot, then you can see this test thing, and now we want to click here and we want to take a print and then test. And how are we gonna call the function? Well, from our server script we can remove this, and we want to write in a local local intermission, and then we want to space and the equal and then script dot intermission. But now if we like do this with the test, Well, it's because we actually need to do this. Remove that and add a require. So this is, you see, module returns the value that was returned by the given module script, running it if it has not been run yet. So here in the require is a module any. You know, to take a script dot intermission, and now if we now go down, intermission dot test is actually there, and we want to add a wait, and now with the output down here you can click run. Okay, that's just from plugin, so it's not actually the server, but yeah, test, and that was 5 seconds after, like I said it was going to be. And so this actually shows that it was from the server. This is what, the thing, the object, the message, then the context, then the script, and then which line. So you see intermission 4. Let's go to the intermission 4. Yes, it's actually from intermission 4. But now with that we can click stop. And we can go into our server, and we're just gonna remove the wait and the intermission.test, so I only have the intermission. I want to click the intermission script, and then we can remove the print and remove the dot test. And so now we can have a dot loop, and so now it will be a loop, and we can write while true do. So this is for like every single frame. You can even use a wait, so it's every single second it loops. Kinda cool. But we're gonna remove the wait. Oh, I accidentally removed the whole thing. And then we want to print intermission and a wait 5 seconds, and then a print game and a wait 5. So if we go to a server, intermission loop. Now if we run, first it says intermission. If we wait 5 seconds, game. And if we wait 5 seconds again, intermission. If we wait 5 seconds again, game. So it's basically how a intermission works in Roblox. But now I want to actually code this, which is going to be a little bit hard, you might think. Well, no, actually. So if we just click enter, so we have space under the intermission. We actually want to have a for I equals 0. No wait. 10, and a comma. I think it was 0, comma, -1, 2. So now we can add a print I, but to test it a lot we can wait 5 seconds. If we click run again, in here we're going to probably see that happening. Oh yeah, I forgot. Silly me. I forgot a wait here, because this will be for every single second. So we can use the normal wait, but this is separated. It would been change that with task wait. So if we just, I mean, this wait does still use, still work, but we're gonna use task dot wait, and we want a1 because this is for every single second. As now, if we actually run this game, you will probably see what is going to happen. Oh, a counter for every single second, almost, and it stops right, and it waits 5 seconds because it actually listens to the wait. Cool, huh? So if we just remove this wait and we want to copy that, and before we continue, remove the I and have two these marks, I forgot what the name, yeah, and we want to spell intermission, and a yeah, one of these, and then a space, and then a dot I, which makes so it will be attached to a string. And we want to copy this, and we want to paste, click there, we want to paste that here, and we want to change this intermission to game. We can remove the wait 5, but we can have the we can remove the wait 5 there. So now it will actually basically be working. So it goes down every single second, and this is actually pretty okay. Yeah, good, it works forever. So now we got that, but if we go to intermission, we actually gotta do a little bit more, I mean advanced, you might say, to actually make it work. So up here we want to click, press enter 3 times, and we want to actually we want to write a function intermission dot intermission. So this will be like all what happens in the intermission. So we can actually remove, copy this intermission and remove that, and then paste it here, and we can copy this, and intermission is orange because there already is one, so we can replace the intermission here to a game, and want to change that to game, and want to remove that game there. And then we want to write intermission dot intermission. I want to copy that. Wait, not copy. And here, this will be the game. So intermission dot game. Now if we click test, still says intermission even though it's from a function. Well, and it will also even say game because it's also from a function, and still, so that is so good. But now we want to also do so the players actually like teleport around, you know. So we want to we can have this print if you want to debug, have it for debugging. So we are, but we're gonna keep it for now. If yeah, so we want to do this. We want to go up and enter 3 times, and function intermission dot teleport everyone. So this making so it actually teleports everyone. But then we're actually gonna use our first parameter. Parameter? I don't forget what it's named. But I'm gonna call it variable giver. So here on the teleport everyone, on the two brackets here, you want to write C frame, and then now if you're gonna teleport everyone, oh wait, intermission dot teleport everyone, you can actually use this game the workspace the lobby dot spawn location dot C frame. And so we actually we are not gonna remove this because this will work when we write in the script. So here we'll be doing a local get players equals game dot players, and then we actually a dot. No wait, we actually need a one of these. I'm actually gonna Google what that means again. Colon. Okay. What the frick? Okay. We're gonna use a colon, and then we are not gonna. Other people unusually use get children, but no, we're actually gonna use a get players, and we'll click enter, and now we got all the players in the server. But then we want to use a for I and comma yeah, I gotta use colon. Oh wait, it's Swedish. Wait, how much? Colon. Yeah. Oh, it's still the exact same name, but with a C in English. Okay, that was okay. Good. I've been using the right word, even though I'm Swedish, so yeah. But for I, comma player space in pair. Oh no, in pairs. Get players, and then we want to. And then we want we want to move that yeah, and we will click there, and then space and do. And so now we got the player parameter. You can see the character, everything. So to teleport the players, we are actually going to do this. We're going to have a local character for short, and space equals player the character, and we want to click enter, and then we want a if, and so this is our first if. So this is like, yeah, if there is like, yeah, if character colon find first child, and then we want to use, wait, what are they named? Oh yeah, I actually gotta use this. I actually think I gotta. Oh my god, how am I gonna know this in English?
Colon. Colon.
Wait, no way, what? I gotta use one of these.
Quote.
Oh, and we gotta use a quote. Humanoid root part. So this is the thing, the main thing inside the character to make a move and stuff. And then we want to have a then, and we can and then we can write care find first round humanoid root part dot c frame equals, and we want the and then now you guys don't use the c frame. You're actually gonna use the lowercase c frame because it's the given c frame. As now this will actually be working. This teleport everyone. But we also gonna copy this and then Control C. And again we want to press enter and this. But then we want to change the lobby to map. Now that will be working now. So if we click hide and seek and then we click play or F5. So now we are waiting. I have so much fun. I'm probably not gonna do it. And you see, we got teleported. How cool is that? How cool is that? Wait, if we teleport again, oh my god. No, oh my god, we teleported, guys. Oh my god, we're aliens. If I get teleported again, then I'm gay. I'm never gay, you guys know that. I'm never gay. Oh, okay. Oh fuck. Yeah, I got teleported, so that's not good. We want to click stop, and then now we wait. Let me in the middle of the video, I think. Let me just look so I'm actually recording. Okay, good. I don't want to like have fucking made this whole video with this 37 long video, and just to not make anything video related. So now we're actually gonna. So now we got that, but we will also want so you can see the information. So in replicate in storage in your Explorer, let's click plus folder, and you want to click the folder and then name it values. This will be very important going on. I want to click the plus in values, and then we're actually gonna write type here a string value, and we're gonna officially name the first value to dun info. Okay. Info. So this will be saying like game started, and it will show on the UI, but we are not gonna spell anything here. So inside the intermission, we want to actually enter 2 times, and local function, no, not local function, function intermission dot set info, I think, yeah, and string, oh no, that a Roblox something, and we gotta be naming it, and then set string, and we actually, but wait, oh yeah, and we're just gonna click enter, and then we're gonna use and then we'll be using all our first variable actually in the script. So so if you see, you cannot put anything over, or no. So if you actually click before the L and just enter, you can have a lot of space. So I'm gonna go up here and you say local what's the name? Yeah, rs equals game guest service, replay source. Well, also a local values equals rs wait colon wait for child. Okay, and then what is its name again?
Quote.
And we're gonna use a quote values, and that's basically it. And we want to go down here, local info equals values wait for child. Let's say again, quote, and we see the info value already in there, so we don't need to write that, which is I'm very pleased. Yeah, and want to click enter. So we are here, new line, and I want to write info dot value. So this is the main value, this, and space equals set string, and then we're done there. So if we just go down here, we want to do the exact same with the we want to have a new line in the intermission, and then we want a intermission dot set info and a quote. I got it right this time. Intermission. No wait, no, not here. We can copy this though. We can go down to the loop, and here the 4i thing. Did I just say 4i? Well, we want to write here that, but we're not gonna write that. We're not just gonna have intermission. We're actually gonna just be copying the t, the argument or arguments, and just paste inside the set info, and then we can just copy that. Yeah, and enter here, and of course paste that in game .oi. So now that will be working, but I also see a lot of stuff where I could make it look more advanced, but right now we are not gonna do that. It'll be all I mean by that is like fix so the script looks more beautiful to look at later on, but right now it's gonna look like this. And we want to click the original plays, and we're gonna click play. So this will be the game. So now if we look as I Explorer, open a replay source, and values to open that, and then click the info, then we're gonna see it's changing. Whoa guys, it's changing, guys, it's changing. Oh my god, it's changing. So you see that works. So we're gonna click stop, and of course we want the GUI to show that. So go down to the start GUI, click plus, screen GUI, and name this. We're also not gonna have this in a folder. Just name this. We can't have it, but I'm not gonna do it. Name it, what is it called? Info GUI. And you click the plus between next to it. I want to add in a text label. If it's not there, then of course just write text and text label. And now we got that, but then it's not all the way from across the screen. So I want to click the text label. Actually gonna make the properties more bigger. then we're gonna name it here info label, and the size here we want to open this up, open the X, and then the scale it'll be 1, but it's a little bit out the screen. This offset does that, so we're gonna just set the offset to 0, and so now if we just look, now the size is out. So yeah. But if we do this, then it doesn't. It's the exact same as. So if we so here, if I just click there and add a on the scale a 0, 1. No wait, no, a 0, a 0.0 5. Yeah, that's good. And up to background transparency, we're gonna just we're gonna set it to 1. Yeah, we're gonna go down. So here's the text. We're gonna add it to like loading, I guess. Okay, no, never mind. Let's make it look more professional. Loading, and then we want to set the text color free, as this is all here is just for the text to look cool. And we're gonna take it to I'm just gonna click here, and we want to set, and here we want to have it all the way down, or how you like it, and then it's all the way up. And you want to click OK and not to cancel, because if I have it like that and I click cancel, yeah, it's not gonna set it. But if I have it OK, it sets it. So I'm just gonna set it. And here text stroke transparency, we're actually gonna, so for right now we'll be using that is not the best. We're gonna have a 0. And if you want to change font, you can. So I usually use audio wide because it's the coolest. We can use whatever you want, and if of course the fonts are not always there, the audio wide for example, that's because you can download it here on the fonts. Something new, which yeah. This not has much font added now. Well, it gets to be like that. And then we got small that, and the info join. Select the info label. No wait, no. Select the info join and a plus. And we'll be using a local script and not a normal script, because that's just for server. This is for the client. So now we got this. We don't actually need to name it. We can, but I'm still gonna name it. I'm gonna name it main. Just gonna put it there. I'm gonna select this, remove, and a local label equals script of parent dot info label. I want to also have a local rs. We can actually go to intermission and copy the rs and values. Okay, just remove that and enter 2 times. Values dot info dot changed, and a colon connect. And so you can you want to write in function. I want to click here, remove, and you want to use one of those. Move it, click that, and there. So So this is it. So every time it changes, then it will, yeah. But if it doesn't, then yeah. So we're actually gonna also have a new value, local last string. We are actually don't have it in here because then it will not always. We're gonna set this to nothing. But we are also at the function the column, the comma. No. Oh my god, I'm so fucking tired.
Opening parenthesis.
Opening for oh my god. Yeah, these two. The opening collab. I don't know. Then you want to write in v or no, just value, because this is just values. So then we can have a if last string equals value, then why is it? Oh, I think, yeah, probably because it wasn't any. I don't know. If last string equals value, then we. Oh, no, wait, no, not in the return yet. Then we're gonna have a label dot visible. Wait, no. Then we can just have a return, and but enter one time. Else else last string equals value, label dot text, which is the text, the string, equals to value, and we want to click enter and return. No, wait, no, we can remove remove that, and we can change this out to a not, if not last string. Wait, no, no, last string equals not value, I meant. So then just say not there. And we're gonna remove the else, and under the end we want to add a return, and we just want to, yeah, we want to click the game, and now I believe it will be working. For some reason it's not working. Oh, I think it's because of the return. Yeah, we want to add a little. Okay, then we can remove that, the return, and we can click here and return. I don't know why I'm just using return. I mean, I'm more advanced. I'm more used to it, I meant. Okay, I know we are not gonna use any returns. Let's remove the return. Also, we want to also add a label dot parent dot reset dot spawn equals false, because you don't want it to be just loading when it's like a 10 second like thing. For some reason it's not working. Let's go around the script. Okay, so what we're gonna do is just remove the last string and remove this if, and that, and just remove the last string completely. So if yeah, now I think It was going to work. Boom, quadratis. So now we got a basic round. But before we quit, I'm just gonna click stop. So first, let's make the thing more better. So the map, spawn location in the map, we're gonna set the transparent to 1 and go down, and the can collide off, the can query off, and the can touch off. So it's in reality always there in the middle. And then now we want to go to intermission. We gotta set some values. So I want to click 2 times. I want to have the here, and we want a intermission dot intermission. No, just spell out intermission dot intermission duration equals 50 can work, and intermission dot game duration equals about 20, and we got it. Just click there. Wait, don't do that. I did. There. We're gonna go down to the loop. Here, the for I equals 10. You want to remove the 10 to intermission dot intermission duration, and here on 10 down here, intermission dot game duration. But then also when the round ends, we also want to say that the round have ended. So we can do this intermission dot set info brackets game ended, and then what's it called? Upside down I. I'm just gonna call it, and then we are just gonna click to enter after line after, and then task don't wait 4 seconds, I don't know. And now we are gonna have that. So now click the hide and seek game. So yeah, and now we are basically done with the tutorial. But if you want the script to look better, which is highly recommended for like the next tutorial, then inside the intermission, want to go up and add more values. So here we got the RS. Want to add a WS equals game guest server and workspace. I also want a local PS equal game guest servers players, and we're just gonna and we got the main services. So here on the teleport game players, we gotta just remove the game to players get players. I gotta replace it with PS colon, I think, get players. Yeah, and we want to go to set info. No, nothing there. Intermission, yeah, here. So we're actually gonna remove this inside the little brackets, I think. And then we want to have ws dot lobby dot spawn location, and here we're actually gonna change out the C-frame on the teleporting one to a part, and then here on the character 5 child humanoid root part of C-frame we're actually gonna replace the C-frame at the end that equals to part dot C-frame. So now here ws I want to write dot again on a gravity map dot spawn location, and down here in the loops I think there was probably something oh nope. So now I hope now it works still. So if I just click play, there we can see it went to 15. Still works, I hope. See, yeah. Oh, I teleported still with the new awesome scripts that someone around town have coded, which needs to be very smart, more smarter than anyone else on Earth. I wonder who is. Okay, but yeah, let's see. Yeah, Bethesda game ended. Good. Oh, that was a little mishap. Yeah, probably tomorrow. The video after we might fix that. So yeah, that's everything for today. Tomorrow we'll be actually setting the character making so that so a player can hide and much more. So I will be seeing you. No wait. No, okay, click stop. I forgot. Wait. So save game. So file and then publish to Roblox before you guys like go to like the next tutorial if it's out. Yeah. But that's everything for today. So bye bye, and I will be recording the exact same video today, but I will be releasing it like tomorrow. So yeah, bye bye.